Let's shift focus now to concerns over bird flu as concerns rise on the spread of the avian influenza across 7 states. The Parliamentary Standing Committee on Agriculture has summoned senior officials of the Ministry of Animal Husbandry to examine the status of veterinary services and availability of animal vaccine in the country. Now, this meeting will take place today at 3 p.m. in Parliament House. This comes after the bird flu has been confirmed in 7 states across the country, including Kerala, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, UP, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Gujarat. Samples from Delhi, Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh have been sent for testing. Let's go across to Sukirti now for more. And Sukirti, 7 states have confirmed bird flu. Today the House panel will meet. What are they expected to take up?
Well, yes, the strategies of how the government is going to handle this entire scenario, that is what is set to be discussed. Now, different state governments have been announcing different measures. For example, in Delhi, they've already shut down the biggest poultry market, which is in Ghazipur. That has already been shut for 10 days. Import of live birds has been banned, and all the parks where dead crows or ducks are being found, those samples are being sent for testing. So that is what state governments have been announcing at the different levels, but a more unanimous strategy in terms of what the central government is planning to do, how they are planning to handle the situation, and whether any more poultry markets in the country are going to be shut, or what is the long-term strategy. All those things are going to be looked at, and also in terms of the labs that are carrying out the testing, if there are any timelines that need to be set. So many more central strategies are going to be decided. And as you mentioned, Delhi and Maharashtra have sent samples for testing, but it is yet to be confirmed. Similarly, in Delhi, as we know, about 91 crows and 27 ducks have been found dead. Many of these samples have been sent for testing. So all of these strategies are going on, but in a more assimilated nature of what the central government's strategy is on handling the situation, that will be the focus.
All right, Sukirti, thanks so much for joining us with those details. So 7 states have confirmed bird flu, while Sukirti pointed out Delhi, Maharashtra are on alert waiting for the results, and poultry markets have taken a hit. Here's a report.
Scores of crows dying in an East Delhi park in Mayur Vihar Phase 3 as bird flu fears loom over the capital.
104 सैंपल उठाए गए हैं और उनको हमने जालंधर भेजा है टेस्टिंग के लिए. उनके रिजल्ट्स आने के बाद जो भी उचित कदम, ठोस कदम जो भी उठाने की अगर जरूरत पड़ेगी वो दिल्ली सरकार उठाएगी.
Nevertheless, the Ghazipur Murga Mandi, the country's largest wholesale poultry market, has been ordered to stay shut for 10 days. Shopkeepers and the market association members fear this will lead to unauthorized sales in the retail market.
जो हाइजेनिक तरीके से दिल्ली मंडी में माल कट रहा था एनिमल हस्बेंड्री की डॉक्टरों की देखरेख में, यहाँ पर वो मंडी तो बंद हो गई. पूरी दिल्ली के अंदर कटा हुआ और जिंदा मुर्गा आ रहा है और खूब बिक रहा है.
हमने सैंपल भेजे हुए हैं जालंधर में लैब में टेस्टिंग के लिए. उनका रिपोर्ट्स अभी प्रतीक्षारत है. जैसी रिपोर्ट्स आती है उसके बाद जो भी स्टेप्स लेने होंगे फिर वो फॉलो किए जाएंगे उसके बाद.
We checked the Kasturba market in Delhi's Seva Nagar, where chicken was being sold, but shopkeepers said it is old stock.
वो कल का माल बचा हुआ था ना जो वो से बेच रहे हैं. बाकी माल नहीं आया. बाकी माल है कल का माल.
आप माल लाते कहाँ से?
गाजीपुर से लाते जी. बहुत फर्क पड़ गया. माल ही नहीं बिक रहा. जो कल का जो बचा था कल का वही बिका ही नहीं अभी तक. अब बकरे का मीट बिकेगा ज़्यादा, मच्छी बिकेगी.
It's this A2 park of Mayur Vihar Phase 3 which has reported multiple deaths of crows, raising an alarm. It is one of the few locations of the national capital to report so. And samples sent to laboratories in Jalandhar include samples collected from this location as well, for which results are awaited. With camera person Ashok Mahale, Arun Singh, NDTV.